Durango was just a really good option for me because of my situation. When I was 18, I was diagnosed with spondylolisthesis. Researching into the condition of spondylolisthesis, I knew that it would probably be a long-term problem. I would someday maybe need surgery. And over the years, I've always kind of had some back pain, but I've always been able to control it. Exercised a lot, just stayed really strong, you know, kept my core really strong. And it wasn't just till the last couple of years, after running a couple of marathons, then doing a lot of training for that I just started having more and more problems with my back. Went to some pain management and, you know, did some steroid injections and things like that. And that seemed to help for quite a while, for about 6-8 months. And then this past June is when I had not really an injury. The day before I just did like cleaning the house, that kind of thing. But then the next day when I woke up, I couldn't walk. And I couldn't stand up straight, and then I was just like pretty much curled up in a fetal position. So I've been a nurse for almost 20 years. And in that time I've worked emergency care, flight nursing, ICU, and I knew that that morning I had a lot of problems. I was not going to get out of this without having to have some major intervention of some sort. Being an ICU nurse, we take care of those types of patients that have back surgery or have spinal fusions and things like that. And we also get in the patients who've had complications from it. So yeah, I know a lot of what can go wrong. And if you don't have the right surgeon, the right team, everything working well for you at that moment, you know, things can go wrong to the point where you're going to have multiple surgeries or you may have a poor outcome. So after I was referred to an orthopedic surgeon, I talked to a few of my friends in the medical profession and found a very good orthopedic surgeon here locally. He explained the procedure that I was going to need, and it was the ALIF. I guess I feel very fortunate that I found a surgeon who is very much on the cutting edge of technology, and that he knew the option of the Durango was out there and recommended it for me. And I think that people have a lot of options out there, and they need to go and research it and find someone who is on the cutting edge of technology and make sure that they're going to have a good outcome.